How to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. So the steps are so simple to follow. After you open up your phone now, go and open up now your Binance app. After you open up your Binance app like this now, go to the asset section. After you come to this asset, now go to withdraw. So from this withdraw, now go and tap on this withdraw crypto or withdraw fiat. So after you come to this option now, go and search for the coin you want to withdraw. So for me, let's say I want to withdraw some BTC that I have in my Binance account. After you select the coin you want to withdraw, go and select the send BA crypto network. So from this option now, it will ask me now to add in the address and the network and the amount that I want to withdraw. All you have to do now, go ahead now and open up now your Revolut app like this now. After you open up your Revolut app like this now, go ahead now and just go ahead tap on the receiving section. From there, you can be able now to select the coin you want to withdraw. Just go ahead and select the coin. For me, it is BTC. After I copy my address of my BTC, so after I copy the address of my BTC like this, I'll just long press your hand like this now and paste in the address that you copy. In this option now, select the network. For me, I selected BNB chain. So from there, now you can go ahead now and type in the amount, tap on this max. So now if I tap on this withdraw button, now I can be able to send my money from my Binance account to Revolut. That's it on how to withdraw money from Binance to Revolut. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.